Coming live from Encino, California.
My name is Leighton Meester.
I'm Taryn Killam, and welcome
we
to
are on
Lunchbox
the
Battles.
show Single Parents on ABC about a bunch of single parents who make each other laugh, make each other cry, and we have a bunch of kids that we take care of, or not.
So today, Leighton, myself, and our three co-stars will be competing to see who can make the best lunch in the style of our characters from the new comedy on ABC.
Single Parents.
Welcome to Lunchbox Battles. Thank you for coming to my kitchen. Each of us is going to try to come up with the best quality lunch that we think our character from our show, Single Parents, would make. On your mark, get set, go.
Where's the baby formula?
Smash up a banana.
Does anyone else want wine?
Duh.
Will / Taryn, tell me about the lunch you prepared.
Well, we got a turkey and cheese with mustard.
You actually took the time to cut the pepper into flowers.
Will is all about his daughter. Is it too involved? Is it unnecessary? Yeah, but that's kind of the character I play on Single Parents.
And what are you creating right now?
I'm telling a story with my lunch, and this right here is called a snailery. A snailery is a celery stick in the shape of a snail. So we're gonna give him some chocolate chip eyes and some pretzel antenna. Stick it in there. There you have
Adorable.
a little snailery.
I've never done this before. Wow! What are you making here for your imaginary child?
Poppy wants her son to have everything, the world, options. Rory is having a turkey sandwich with a little pesto chicken on top, a little provolone cheese.
You got him down.
Got that dairy.
I have this banana for my baby.
Does he have teeth yet?
He has like 4 teeth now. What I can do is I can just chew it.
Yeah. And then recycle it.
Do like birds do.
It's definitely not
Yeah.
You know how
gonna
birds
work.
feed their baby?
I'm already done.
Oh, tell me what's going on. That looks lovely.
Well, I have a PB&J.
All social services. Are all the things put together?
Yeah, I mean, Angie doesn't have time. She's got a son, she's raising him as the mom, the dad, the grandparents. She's surviving.
Yeah, try not to drink during the day. I'll tell you what I put in my lunch. I have lovely twin daughters, and no idea what their names are. But they go, hey, Dad, what'd you make me for lunch? And I went, Andrew Jackson. So, Taryn, how do you win this competition? Because as you know, my character does not like losing.
I understand. Well, I gotta say, I never realized it, but lunch making is a subjective medium. So I'm gonna go ahead and say, ribbons for everybody! We had a blast. We hope you did too. Please watch the new comedy on ABC, Single Parents, starring us!
Premiere September 26th.